everybody, welcome to our first vlog. I'm Anna Ze and this is Anna Ver. Today we are walking in Tukums city. This is how it looks. Where are we going?
We are going to the Disneyland.
Anna, where are we going?
Origo.
We are going to the city center.
We will drive.
Yes, this is...
We will drive.
Yes, that is Vivi.
Here, tuk tuk tuk.
What?
Here, tuk tuk tuk.
Is
In front of a car.
there is kebab.
Kebab, so it's no yummy. Kebab.
You like kebab?
No.
Me too! Hey! I will bleep the cussing. Tā kā mēs kaut ko rupi pasakam, es izbloķēšu ārā, lai nedzird. Because we are...
Mums tas katru sekundi vienkārši.
Where is 6-7?
Šitā saka 6-7.
6-7! Oh, here is bolting. This is bolt. Turi. I go.
Давай, es tev strāju.
Давай. We apologize. We apologize. There is people who are...
Kur viņi palika?
Look how aesthetic. Okay guys, we are going to Rimi. Who don't know what Rimi is, it's a shop in Latvia. There is
Store, shelf, vai kā tur.
it is called...
Closet.
This is very aesthetic.
Kāpēc tu filmē alkoholu?
Alcohol is very aesthetic. I don't drink alcohol. I don't drink alcohol.
Pickles.
Pickles. Here is pickles. You can record.
What? I was recording.
Kas? Kur?
Kas kur?
Tu redzēji, kā tā bija? Es demonstrēšu. We steal this.
Visiem reāli naudas, mēs kā bombas.
Oh, nē.
Labi.
Yes, what did you show?
So cute, China. So cute.
Nē, bet šis tas
Man
arī.
nav naudas, kur pabeigts.
Bet tas es pagājušajās mūs pa vēl palaidu.
Nu, tur taču saka, ka tā vecī nebūs.
Aizvien pārbaudīt.
We are in bathroom. Nice lady, let us go for free. We are washing. Wash my hands. Yes. Explain why girl and boy and they were doing what we were. They were and they saw us and they ran away.
Because we are screaming.
Yeah, we screamed. Mēs nestamies. Oh, okay guys, we are swinging. Me and this other girl. Hello girl. And the other girl is sitting there. Yes, we are very aesthetic swinging. Okay guys, so guys, okay guys, my phone is about to die, so this will be it for the vlog. Goodbye guys, thank you for watching. Speak. Say bye. So goodbye guys, thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. Peace out.
Dance with my hands and the